What's up, guys? Welcome back to part 3. My name is Rusty and we are back with this cheap Mazda Miata I bought for 500 bucks. It's time to do the wheel bearings. I already done the valve cover gaskets. If you guys missed my other video, it's part 2. I did the valve cover gasket and I custom painted it. It looks pretty cool. We are here now because the wheel bearings are making horrible noises. I bought these cheap wheel bearings from eBay for about, I think they were 20 bucks each, so it was like 40 bucks for both of them. The make is whatever that says, high quality parts. I doubt this is high quality since it was like 20 bucks, but whatever, this is just a flip. Most of these Chinese bearings are all the same. They're fine. I'm gonna go ahead and start jacking up the car, taking off the wheels or wheel. We'll do one side at a time. I have no clue what I'm doing, but we're gonna figure it out. So we went ahead and took off the brake caliper with the brake pads. Damn, these things are, there's nothing even left. But I trying to smash this thing and take this rotor off, and I just cannot. Either it's original or it's seized. Damn, I just hit it a little bit. So the last choice is to try to put this in here and screw it in and pop this caliper out without damaging it. I mean rotor. So hopefully I can do that. All right, that bolt trick worked. All right, what do we got here? So we got the rotor. All right, how do you take this off? Let's see. Looks like a cover's right here. Let's knock this cover out. All right, and we got a nut right here. Just let's unscrew this nut and see if it just slides out. Right? I don't know. All right. Oh, what the heck? it just comes right out. Oh, this wheel bearing is shot. Oh my goodness. Well, I know it was the wheel bearing, so let's compare it. Let's compare it to the new one. I mean, this side, what the heck? This thing got some play in it too. It's kind of weird. Hopefully the noise was the wheel bearing, so let's just put this on and we'll see. All right, I'm gonna put this all together. So we have finished putting it on. It was pretty simple. It was like pretty much this one nut and that's it. And you take off this caliper, take off the rotor, and take off the wheel bearing. I'm actually surprised it was that simple. So we're gonna go ahead and do the other side real quick. I'm just gonna lap time it for you guys, put everything back on and take it for a drive. Make sure that was the humming issue that I got about a 25-30 and it was just like ridiculously annoying. Hopefully that was it and then not something else. The only other thing I could think of is the transmission whining or something like that. Hopefully that's the issue. Let's just get started. noise is gone, man. It was the wheel bearings, thank God. Alright guys, so I can't believe that was the noise. Thank God. Cheap fix, 40 bucks, whatever. I'm happy about it. The hardest things about replacing these wheel bearings was finding a 29mm socket to go onto that bolt. So yeah, that's it guys. Appreciate it for watching. If you have any other questions about this, let me know. Deuces. Mm-hmm.